Imagine you're on a remote road at sunset. The car ahead crashes and you rush to help. The driver's fine, but the passenger's arm is bleeding badly. No cell signal. Panic rises. Then you remember your glove box. Inside, a small first aid kit. Your unseen hero. You grab gauze and bandages, steady your nerves, and take control. You're not a medic, but you're ready. This kit turns chaos into calm, disaster into a manageable moment. It's not just for adventurers. It's for everyone who drives. Parents, commuters, weekend explorers. Emergencies happen to all of us. A first aid kit is your first line of defense. A tiny investment for peace of mind. The first step? Choose a tough waterproof container. Your car faces heat, cold, and spills. Protect your supplies. Hard plastic or metal works best. Don't let a leaky bottle or rain ruin your kit. A solid sealed case keeps your tools ready for action. It's a simple step that can change everything. Be prepared for the unexpected. Your glove box hero could save a life. Now, let's build your kit with only the essentials. Start with quality adhesive bandages, waterproof, various sizes. Add sterile gauze pads and medical tape for bigger wounds. Include compression bandages for bleeding or sprains. Antiseptic wipes are a must for cleaning wounds. Non-latex gloves protect you, and others put them on first. Trauma shears cut through tough fabric, tweezers remove debris. These tools aren't for surgery, they clear the way for care. Keep it simple, focused, and effective. You're not building a hospital, just a lifeline. Every item should earn its place. This kit is about being ready for real emergencies. How you pack matters as much as what you pack. Use clear bags to group similar items. Bandages, gauze, tools. Label them for speed, emergencies don't wait. Store your kit in the glove box, not the trunk. Keep it within reach. Don't bury it under clutter, make it easy to grab. Customize for your family, kids, bandages, sting relief, children's meds. For adventurers, add blister pads, an emergency blanket, or allergy meds. Your kit should fit your life and risks. Preparation is personal. A well-packed kit is a pit crew for emergencies. Make it visible, accessible, and tailored to you. The right kit turns fear into action. Be ready for your unique journey. Picture this. Your child scrapes a knee at the park. You clean, bandage, and calm them in minutes. Crisis averted. Or a friend cuts their hand moving boxes. You stop the bleeding, wrap it up, and keep things calm. Even a minor car accident. Your kit helps you care for a shaken stranger. It's not just about injuries, it's about compassion and confidence. Your kit is a tool for kindness in stressful moments. But don't forget, check your kit every few months. Restock what you use, replace expired items. Heat and time can wear supplies down. Maintenance keeps your kit, and you, ready. Being prepared is a superpower. Build your kit, keep it sharp. You never know when you'll be the hero.